Today we're gonna make a cake. So first we crack the egg and we make the white egg in the cup. We have like 2 cups of an egg and then we mix it. And then now we already mix it, and then so now we need 2 plastic like this, and then we put the egg into the plastic. And then we tie it with rubber band. And then we put the white egg into the plastic band too. And first we put the butter in the pan. And then we make like a
spiral.
Yeah. And then out and wrap it around the pan. And wait until it cooks that you think you want it to be like. And then take it out.
Do you like this one?
Yeah, it's so very beautiful. Its name is the Spinny Girl.